In this lesson, you will learn how to filter data by excluding or keeping only specific values. Differentiate between the types of filters you can use for different data types. You will understand how to filter to examine field values and identify which need to be cleaned. Editing incorrect field values singly and in groups, replacing the values manually and using built in algorithms. And you will learn how to create a calculated field to clean your data and add new fields for your analysis. Let us initially begin with filtering data to exclude or keep a specific value. When cleaning your data, you often exclude values you don't need or keep values that you want to investigate further. Different filters perform different functions. You may want to exclude one value, keep a range of values, keep things that match a pattern, or filter a range of specific values. All this can be done with calculations, but there are some built in options that can save you a lot of time. Filtering values in order to locate the data that needs to be cleaned. The filter values you can apply depend on the data type of the field. For example, if it is string, you can use a calculation, you can use a selected value, a wildcard match, and null values. If it is a number, you can use the filtering options by calculating or using a selected values, range of values, and the null values. If it is a date or date and time, then calculation, selected value, range of dates, relative date, null date values, or possible. You can select discrete values in a field to keep or to exclude it. With the selected value filter, you can pick and choose the values that you want to keep or exclude for a field, even values that aren't in your sample. This is how you can find the outliers and exclude the outliers from your field. And the other thing which you can do is simply go and search for the string, and you can keep only the string which matches the record, like what you have searched for. So, outliers, that is changing the outliers, is very easy. That simply click on the outlier, right click, and click exclude. This is another option where you can hold control and click various values, that is various records, and click on keep only to keep your records. So control will, you have to press the control forever while clicking it and leave it and click keep only option where you can have the selected data. This is also a type of filtering to keep only the necessary values. Now, if you just go to the filter, you can see various options. Here, we are going to see how to deal with the null values. So, it is very easy. Simply go and click on the more options, click filter, and then click null values. So, you will be getting this, and you can, if you want only to keep null values, you can simply click here, or else click non null values and click done, where you cannot see any null values. So in the more options under filter, you have other options as well. So here you can see that click on the filter and you have null values, and you can simply click on non null values and keep only the perfect values. You can see that the null values has been deleted. Here in the destination state, I just want to filter using the selected values. So click on the selected value and you can see what are all the options which you want to keep or which you want to find it with starts with. Click on starts with and click new, and if you press enter you can see various options. So select the string, that is a record from there, and you can just add it. Click the add button where that will be added. That is, if you want to keep only the selected values, this is how you can filter it to keep the selected values. If you want to exclude it, simply click exclude where these data will be excluded, and you can see that from the destination state, that is, instead of 52 you have only 48 unique values. So just see how you have to do it. Click filter and selected values. And you have to find the selected values first. And if you want to keep only, then you can just go ahead with keep only. Or if you want to exclude, you can simply exclude it. The next option is filtering based on the calculation. For example, if I want to find the city, filter the city with Madison. So simply click on filter and calculate a field and write the formula like destination city is equal to Madison. Click here, filter, go to calculation and give Madison within double quotes because it's a string. Once it's done, click save. You can see that that particular city records, relevant records will be filtered. So in filtering, you can see the various options. Based on your need, you can just proceed with. If you want to exclude, you can click exclude. Include, you can click include. If you want the selected fields, you can keep it. And if you want to use the calculations in order to filter the records, you can do it. This is the number filter. As I told, the filtering options will change based on the data type. You can see that for number, you have an option called range of values. You can select the value and click what range you need. So you have the option here to change it. You have the tabs as well, like range, minimum, and maximum. If it is maximum, you can tell which is the maximum value range you should have it. And if it is minimum, you can select what is the minimum range you need to keep it. And if it is a range, you can set the minimum and maximum value. So the range field, that is a range value field, is possible only with the integer. Click and go to range of values. You can also see another option for dates, which is range of dates. So here you can see, you can set the range of dates. For example, from which date to which date. This is from and this is to. And if you want to select the minimum date, you can select the minimum, or only if you need the maximum dates, you can click on maximum. So this is possible with the date data type. And if you just go to the filter, you have another option called wildcard match for string data type. This you can do with which contains, which starts with, and the other options. If you want to keep it, then use keep only, or else if you want to exclude, click exclude.